Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back again for another unboxing video. I got something I think you guys would definitely need. You know, all these crazy storms that we've been having coming through in the Northeast this summer. It's been crazy. Monsoon rain, you know, heat. So I know the winter's about to be crazy. So I know we're going to have a lot of power outages. So I got something here to help with that. Let's get this baby unboxed. Look, I got the best grandpa knife ever. I brought it back in action. You ain't seen it in a while. Let's get this baby unboxed here. I think I could pretty much tear this. I could pretty much, you know, I like ripping stuff, so. There it is, you guys. Check this out. Portable solar generator by FlashFish. That's right. The name is FlashFish. FlashFish portable solar generator. Lithium battery, AC output, DC output, 3 USBs on it. And let's get this baby unboxed. This right here, you guys, is 200 watts. This weighs about 4.1 pounds, right? So that's great. And like I said, it has a 110 AC volt. You know, 2 DC ports, 1 USB port. So let's open this baby up real quick. Flip this baby around here. I'm trying to open this up. I got a little table here. I want to make sure I don't knock anything over. Ooh, yeah, let's open it up. I love box opening. They got it packed real good. Let's throw that on the side. Here's the actual solar power supply. And of course, that's all that's in the box. So we're just gonna sit this on the side here. Let's open up the accessories and see what we got. All the normal accessories right here. This is a solar generator too. So here's the instruction booklet here. Bingo. So basically, here's a flashlight. You plug this up, and it's a flash. Looks like it's a flashlight. This right here. Here's an adapter right here. Let me see. So let me go through with the whole thing with you. Here's the power adapter. Here's a cigarette adapter, and let's see. Cigarette lighter adapter. Here's your power adapter. Here's your car charger. And then you got 1 portable solar generator. So those are all your accessories right there. So let's move the accessories to the side here. I wondered if they left me some power on this thing. So here's the actual solar generator. A little small thing. You see I got it in my hand. Got the little flip up. There's your DC input right there. That's for your power. Let me see. Y'all think they left me any power on there? Here's AC right here. So you got AC power off and on. Here's your 3.0, you got 3.0, you got 2.4. Here's your DC output, so if you want to hook a solar panel up, you put it right there. There's DC power. So let's power this baby up. Nothing, it's pretty simple. You know the batteries inside. Little backup. Let's turn this on. Oh yeah, AC power. There it is right there. So let's see. Let's see. I said this should be a light. So let's plug this up. And then we're going to put it on DC. There you go. Check it out. DC power. So you got a flashlight and you can bend it. So I guess, look, you put it on that direction. There's the real big one. And then I guess, yeah, it's got 2 flashlights. So I guess it's just on one side. So even if you put it on the 2.4, there you go. So you got a flashlight that you can turn in any direction. Let me turn this off. So see, you got a little flashlight so you can see what you're doing there. So that's kind of cool. So there's the flashlight. And then of course, you know, you got your other inputs here for your DC2, for your solar, and then here's the power right here. There's your AC input, so you got AC power on. That's AC power. That if you want to power the 2 AC plugs, you got your 3-prong, your regular 2-prong, 110 volts. Here's the DC power. DC power powers everything over here. So it's a nice little solar generator here. 200 watts total. 15 volt DC input. So if you, it's sine wave. Look, it's pure sine wave right here. 200 watts pure sine wave. So this is just a little quick one. Hey, look, we stacking up on these, so make sure you guys get something like this. You'll definitely need it, because if the wintertime is anything crazy, like how these summer storms been going, you're definitely going to need it. So all you gotta do, you know, you just hook your DC inputs right there. You got the phantom, and then you put your solar panel on this. So make sure you have a solar panel. I do have a video where I do another solar panel, so make sure you guys check this out. This is the FlashFish solar little small mini generator. Link is in the description. See you on the next one.